Well, here's what we're dealing with. We broke a center pin on the leaf spring, so I got 3 long ones. Gotta get them cut. And Mom's working out. And TJ's playing football.
That was so close!
I'm Travis.
I'm Alicia.
I'm Molly. I'm Travis.952.
We're traveling across the country.
From Maine to California.
So we can race dirt bikes, meet new people, hi,
Interview other moto dads.
And most importantly, explore.
Well, we are back on the road. Kids are good. I hope the trailer's good. We'll find out. Pulling up to the Shaw's place was really cool. They were right there to greet us when we got there. Coming out.
Hello.
Hey. I'm Travis.
Brandon.
Nice
Good to meet you,
man.
man.
Hey, buddy. Barrett. This is Travis. We made it. We're just outside of Little Rock, Arkansas. Showed us around the place. We got to check out the race shop. Got to hang out at the house for a little bit, cool down because it was so hot.
The original bike up there.
Is that the Loretta's bike? Do we have the Loretta's bike?
It's the Loretta's plastic that's on there, but that was his.
The original frame.
Yeah, we that's the very first bike he ever got. So he was 2 or 3 when we got that.
Dang.
Back when P-Dubs were at 4.
They played with scooters and they checked out the house, and Barrett came in and checked out the camper. We made some lunch.
I got to check out his dirt bikes. We got to see his dog.
You know, these families, they bring us in without really knowing us.
The moto community is such a welcoming group of people that we knew that they were going to have the same values as we do.
We're meeting the family right now. What's your name? Give me the name. Barrett what? Say it nice and loud.
Barrett Shaw.
And yours?
Paisley Shaw.
They welcomed my 2 children into their home and played with them like they knew each other for their whole lives.
We went to jump in the truck and we were off to ride some flat track.
I don't know, is this a big thing in Arkansas, flat track? It's kind of a big deal, I guess. So, flat track. All right, T, you ready?
Yeah.
Mom, you ready?
Yeah.
I'm sweaty.
We're at a cycle shop. I don't know, what cycle shop we're at?
Rebels Den Cycle Supply.
Rebels Den Cycle Supply. They got a dirt track set up. All kinds of good stuff happening. Guys riding KX65s around this kind of roughed in oval right next to this motorcycle shop was just a really cool atmosphere.
Our focus is on kind of developing that love for dirt bikes and especially racing into Barrett and him, you know, wanting to just on his own, like, I don't want to do anything but ride this dirt bike because it's fun. Like when I go, I have a good time. I'm riding with my buddy and just that wanting to be your focus, because if you truly love something and that's all you think about, then that's all you think about. That's all you want to do. You know, kind of that. I don't want to say I want him to have this singular focus, but if that is your singular focus, you're going to get better.
Go get him, dude! packed the bikes up again, and now we're off to an old abandoned golf course right in the middle of Little Rock, Arkansas. Barrett has got a really cool style, man. We got to go out to that golf course today, that old golf course, and they got to rip. And I saw some cool style points from him, man, where you can just see the comfort level with his dirt bike, you know, and that's what it's all about.
He is smooth, he has good style.
Right now is just developing that love of, hey, I love moto and this is what I want to do, and just that be what he wants to do, and loves it, has a good time. And I hope one day when I'm an old dude, I'm taking his kids to the races.
We made it back to the house, grilled up some food, the kids jumped in the pool. Bye-bye. Got a good night's sleep. We're back in the truck and headed to a local practice track. This place was really cool. Some great terrain, elevation, awesome, some big jumps, some small jumps, really deep soil that the kids just had so much fun just getting on the throttle.
Keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling them wrong. You got me like, oh yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan.
Yeah, we're gonna have fun, but nothing's more fun than winning. Yeah, nothing's more fun than kicking ass. That kind of attitude, that hard-nosed, hardcore attitude is what put me in the mindset to get where I am, and I'm probably not that much with Barrett. I'm a little softer on him.
Too anxious, will adapt to false survive and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah.
And come to find out, there was a guy from Maine. One of our fellow riders from Maine shows up to get some practice in, and we got to get some good footage of him out there shredding it with TJ. Well, this is it. Our time in Arkansas is over.
It was kind of hard to say goodbye, knowing that our kids made such great friends.
Did you have fun? Yeah? What'd you think, Pig?
It was pretty fun. It was hard to say goodbye because we knew we weren't going to see him for a long time, maybe like at big races. On our next episode, we're headed to Texas to ride horses and ride dirt bikes.
Making our way to the Grand Canyon and Yosemite in California.
Then we're off to Mammoth to race some dirt bikes in Mammoth, and then Montana.